And here we go again. Let's see what's in the package. Amazon. Now, Amazon, y'all need to get a damn life, okay? Really? Stop giving us this garbage. And, excuse my language, y'all. Well, they still make this fan after all these years. This fan's been made for years. They all the way back to like the early 2000s. And interestingly enough, they still make this fan. I've never had this Holmes fan in my collection ever. Nothing on it has ever changed. It is the same as it always had been since back then, interestingly enough. So now they want to call it Blizzard Jr. But the Holmes Blizzard fan is now Junior. That's what they want to call it now. But we all know it's exactly the same fan. Pretty loud on low and high, but perfect for me being I like loud fans. Just not obnoxiously loud. That being said, well, for the first time in the collection, let's see what we got. Alright, here is the manual. It's in good shape. It tells you all the instructions and things you need to know about this fan that's been around the block for a super long time. The reason why I picked it up is because I really like that design. And I've seen these on Amazon for a long time, so I figured why not? Why not pick up one and have it in the collection for the first time? Just like y'all remember, huh? Yep, there it is. Same old, same old. Nothing has never changed. A 6 or 7 inch or even 8 inch Blizzard Holmes Blizzard, well, they want to say Junior fan, but there it is. Same blade set, same Raider motor, same all of that. So, see what we're dealing with. The only difference is that the the cord does come with a fuse plug. Comes with a fuse plug. The older style ones don't. But that's to be expected. Alright, I'm gonna get ready to plug it in and we're gonna test it. I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay, we're getting ready to run it, but let me plug it in.
I joined an AP study group, but I couldn't make both work.
Yeah, where were you this afternoon then, when you were supposed to be in class, okay? Because don't try telling us you were skipping class to study. That's just ridiculous.
Okay, fine, you caught me. Yeah, a few of us skipped out. But I have a huge bio test coming up, and I just wanted to cram for that. And I way ahead in English, and Mom, you always said that if it's a priority, you'll make it work. So that's what I did. I made the choice to study on the subject I'm struggling.
Okay, well, I think it's great that you're taking your studies so seriously. I really do. But why wouldn't you tell us that you quit the squad, Olivia? That's kind of a big deal.
And I didn't want to disappoint you. Okay? You know?
Let's see what we're dealing with.
Get into a great college. I'm not perfect like you. I can't do it all. No.
Olivia, you never have to worry about disappointing us, okay?
I'm so sorry.
Well, it seems that they finally got their acts together on making it much quieter.
Yeah, well,
That's surprising because in the past, the fans has been a lot louder,
Tried my best.
especially on low and on high.
This campaign has been
And I can't believe it is so quiet
okay, more than I imagined.
on low.
We knew
It actually has a hum.
when we decided to do this as a family.
Or it seems to be speeding up. Oh, okay, I get it. It has one of those motors where it takes time for it to warm up. And once it gets up to speed, then it gets loud. As opposed to how it was before when you turn it on, it gets right up to speed and it's super loud. There it goes. It's kind of like how it is with my Holmes box fan. That the more modern one I got, where it takes time for it to warm up. It has one of those motors. Now it's starting to get loud, so now it makes sense. Okay. Now that makes sense. All right, let's speed up to high speed. Okay, well, my bad. I guess the first speed was low, and the second speed is well, the first speed was high. My bad. What a freak show, and the second speed is low. So I guess this is low. Okay. Well, let's put it back on high. Yeah, it's really quiet on low, but this is high speed, so high speed's gonna get a little bit louder. I don't know if y'all can hear the wind stream. If you can't, I do apologize. Hopefully you can. Yeah, that's not that loud. I mean, that's loud enough for me. When I go to sleep at night, it's perfect white noise, and it moves a good amount of air. It's not that impressive, but it does move some air. That's one of the main things that y'all was talking about on these videos, that how this fan don't really move much air. It gives you a lot of white noise, but the air is not that impressive. It seems like to me it's still trying to speed up. That's what it's doing, because it takes time for that motor to really warm up. Unlike my my Holmes box fan over there, a 2-speed Holmes box fan, that takes time to speed up. That white one I showed y'all before, yeah, it takes time for that to speed up. And then once it really does, that one's louder than this. It really gets loud. But unlike my box fan over there, the original blade set that goes to the air can, that's really obnoxiously loud. That's louder than what I expected. I don't like anything that doggone loud, but to a certain extent, yes. Anything over that. So now it's loud, now it's more powerful. It seems to be moving a much stronger breeze on high. So let's try moving it back down low again. Okay, there we go. I know on camera it sounds really loud, but in person, sure, it's just right. Let's see what the spin down time is now. Don't be surprised if it spins down quick. It's new from the factory. Spin down time from the factory. And that's what you come to expect until the oil really breaks in. Well, wow. They still make this fan after all these decades. It's a pretty good fan. I'm glad I have this in my collection for the first time. I'm pretty sure you're wondering where you're going to use it. I'm glad you've asked. It's going to be used over here when I go to sleep at night. It's going to be my nighttime fan. It's going to go over here. Yep, it's going to go right there. So that's where I'm getting ready to put it, and it won't run again until I go to bed. The Month of Fan Man, thanks for watching, and out.